So I don't even know where to start. This is just gonna be a very one take video. What's up, you guys? It's been a little while. I'm pretty much just shooting this video just to give you guys a little update. It's been a while. It's been 5 months going on. It's been 5 months going on 6 months since I dropped a video for you guys. But I'm just letting y'all know that the TL content, the TL videos in general, is coming out soon and hopefully on a regular basis. Things were just happening with TL that I couldn't drive it for an extended period of time, so I sort of stopped recording, but I was still working on the car in the background. We're gonna get back on schedule now since the car is running again. And I'll probably put up a overview of things that I've done to the cars while I was MIA. If you see behind me, I just finished one of my buddy's Miata video. I'll put it somewhere on the I'll put it somewhere on the screen so y'all can watch it. Here, actually, I'll show you guys the TL. It's over here. You guys see it? The TL right there. Yep, she's back up and running. Got. There you go. Am I properly exposed again? A little recap. TL was broken. TL was broken for a while. Fixed it up. I moved. What other excuses? But everything's back on track and more videos will be coming. I'll just catch you guys in the next video.